Today we are going to learn how to uninstall applications on an iPhone, and this also applies to an iPad as well. There are about 2 or 3 different ways to uninstall an app, and they each have their benefits. So you'll see here that I just have 2 screens here with different applications. Maybe you just got an iPhone and you want to uninstall certain apps that you know that you're not going to use. So the first and easiest way is I'm going to uninstall the podcast app here, the purple icon. And with my finger, you don't need to press down firmly or with a lot of force. Just rest your finger on the app for less than a second and let go. It brings up a context menu. You'll notice here in red it says remove app. So I'll tap on that. And then it says, are you sure that you want to delete it? Or do you just want to remove it from the home screen? So to delete it indefinitely from the iPhone, you just tap the red delete app. It confirms it again. And you hit delete once more, and it's not there. It's gone off your phone. Now let's say that you know that you want to delete more than a couple different applications. There are 2 main ways to do it, and let's explore the first method. Again, we're on the home screen here, and we're going to leave our finger pressed down on any icon. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to press my finger on the Apple TV icon, the black icon, and I'm just going to leave it down until I see something else appear. So that took about 2 or 3 seconds. The icons are all jiggling now, and they each have a circle on the upper left-hand corner. Looks like a minus. So what we're going to do is select one at a time to delete. Anything that is deletable has that icon, which is most everything with the recent software update of the iPhone. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the News app. And again, it's the same message. And I can delete more than one if I want to and just keep deleting. When you are done, you have 2 options. One is you can just hit the done button on the upper right hand corner, or if you just leave it alone and not touch your screen for about 10 to 20 seconds, it's going to go back into the regular mode of just using your phone. But I'll go ahead and tap done here. And the other method is especially good if you want to see how much space is being used with each application. I'm going to go into settings here. And then this is the main menu. I'm going to scroll down to where it says General. From there, I'm going to find where it says here in the middle, iPhone Storage. From there, it tells me how much space my iPhone is using. But more importantly here, it gives a list in the order of the largest sized apps. And what I'm going to do here is go through my apps and realize that I haven't used certain applications, and I'm going to delete them. So I can delete the one that's the largest app on the phone. And again, I have that red delete app icon. It gives you a warning that it's going to delete all of its documents and data. When I hit delete app, it just takes a second. It will automatically go back to the main screen of the iPhone storage setting, and it's now gone. Of course, you can go back into the App Store at any time to re-download if you ever wanted to get it back on your phone. Search for news. Any apps that you've downloaded or have had on your phone will be available to download again for free because you've had it on your phone previously. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for supporting the channel. You're welcome to subscribe, leave a comment below if you'd like, and thank you for watching.